Imagine this. You're sitting in a quiet room, yet all you hear is an incessant ringing in your ears, drowning out your thoughts. Tinnitus affects millions, yet many believe it's a life sentence with no escape. Here's the truth. Most people think tinnitus can't heal itself, or that there's no hope for relief. But the science of habituation shows otherwise. Your brain has an incredible ability to adapt and rewire itself. Studies demonstrate that through techniques like mindfulness and sound therapy, many can significantly reduce their perception of tinnitus. One actionable step? Start practicing sound therapy with gentle background noise, like ocean waves or soft instrumental music, for at least 30 minutes daily. This helps retrain your brain's response to these phantom sounds. Next, consider implementing regular mindfulness meditation. Spend 5 minutes focusing on your breath, letting thoughts pass like clouds. This promotes a calmer mental state and begins to break the anxiety-tinnitus cycle. Remember, consistency matters more than perfection. Now, if you're like me, even knowing all this can feel overwhelming. I struggled with that relentless ringing for years, constantly searching for something that could actually help. But then, I found this one supplement that genuinely made a difference. Seriously, I was skeptical, but it worked wonders for me. I couldn't keep it to myself, so check out my homepage. You might just find the relief you've been looking for.